What do you think will happen when I drop this egg onto the table?
Come on and play. Come on and sing. Come on and learn. Popz Treehouse.
Oh dear! The egg broke and went everywhere all over the table. So why did this happen? It all has to do with the forces of gravity. Gravity pulls everything downward towards the earth. So no matter what you drop, it'll always fall towards the ground. We dropped an egg, and since the shell of the egg is so thin, when it hit the table, it broke. It's time for a super simple experiment. Since gravity is making the egg fall and hit the table and break, how can we stop the egg from breaking when it hits the table? Here's the challenge. Using only 10 straws and tape, can we make a container around the egg so the next time we drop it, it won't break? You can also try this at home with anything you can find around the house to make your egg so it doesn't break. And if it does break, you can always make some super yummy, crunchy scrambled eggs after. There we go! I have even seen some friends use paper towel rolls, cotton balls, elastic bands, or even attaching a plastic bag to the top. So when you drop it, the plastic bag acts as a parachute, gently landing back down to the ground. Now, what do you think will happen when we drop our egg in the container this time? Will it break, going all over the table? Or will the egg land safe and sound? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. It worked! It didn't even break. The reason why it didn't break this time was because when it hit the table, the force of gravity was distributed along the bottom of the straws. So the egg didn't break, but it wasn't that high. I have an idea. Let's go outside and drop the egg in our container from an even higher height. I'm up really high in the treehouse, and since we're up higher, the force of gravity will be stronger and make the egg travel downward at a faster speed. Let's see what happens. I hope our egg doesn't break being up this high. 3, 2, 1. Look! Our egg didn't break, even from that higher height. That was an excellent day with an excellent experiment. See what I did there? I'll see you friends next time. Later, Gators.